Mr. Aaron Hultgren, Joe Aguilar. Hope you're doing well, sir. We're 5 months into what COVID-19, right? Hey, this is the back dash of your website, and I have it, the front side up here. You see this little padlock? It should be completed, and it just shows a little highlight. It says parts of this page are not secure, such as images. So what we want to look at is what's happened. We went in to, just do this is our mid-year that we just check everything, everybody's sites and stuff. We do it once a month, but on yours, you're not hosted with us, but we checked because we had it on the list just to maybe take a look at it. You had like 28 updates, so no one's updating your site. Plugins need to be updated on a regular basis unless you have a service that does it for you. But we're happy to do it for you, and no big issue. But you see this really simple SSL. This is a plugin um, that I guess is your security. Ours comes with our hosting, and we use a different format. But anyway, we updated all your plugins. It was quite a bit that's undone. Your version of Divi needs to be updated, but it looks like it's probably just a copied version. And so the license and the API on that, it just needs to be renewed. So we have unlimited on Divi, but whoever built this for you might not have, maybe just did a one-off, so it could be expired, and so it needs a new API key and access for the theme to be updated. A lot of times, plugins cannot be updated unless the theme is current, but in this case, Divi allowed it. But when we go to settings, after we updated everything here, we go to settings. And if you take a look at, oh, sorry, not Divi, but settings. If you take a look at settings, you can see here the SSL is giving us this little flag. And what it's telling us is WordPress 301 redirect enabled. Um, so we recommend to enable 301. I don't know, I guess, is your website down? A 301 is a hard redirect, which means you won't have access to this site anymore, paragondevelopment.net. Is it being forwarded to another website, or is this domain being forwarded? That may be the reason why there was no updates, because you might be having it going somewhere else. If that's the case, you shouldn't be able to pull up the site at all. If I were to type paragondevelopment.net, it should just take me wherever it's being redirected. That's what a redirect is. This will get completely turned off and everything forwarded and dumped somewhere else. And you want to make sure you have a copy of this before you do such a thing. I don't think that's your goal. All we were trying to do was update all of the versions, plugins, because if you don't, sometimes people's interaction with the site is inhibited or certain things won't work. So just a quick brevity of what happened. We updated everything. It's fully functional right now, and that's the good news. Everything is still working, no problem. Just a little bit of an issue with that SSL. If I can find out who you're using for that, or or you just need to ask whoever's hosting it and just say check on the SSL. Doesn't look like anybody has accessed in quite some time, because if you go to users, all there is just this one, and that's the one we use for you. So that means someone else is really taking care of that one. But anyway, just to let you know, thank you so much. I know your wedding date's coming up soon, so congratulations if that is still a go. And then um, we'll talk soon. If you need anything else, if you have updates for your portfolio, we'll be happy to put it in. Like I told you, we're here to take care of you. Thank you so much.